Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will just do a quick video sorry, about mixing my pearl white for reverse flower dips, dips. I use it in ring pours, in all kind of things, so you know, those who know me, you know what my pearl white mixture is, but still there is a lot of people new, so I'm using my pouring medium that it's European product. It's Bessner acrylic binder with acrylic emulsion mixture. You can find that video in the description box too, and this is not varnish, this is just dry painting, and I got this nice lacing. Here is also extreme sheen gold in it, and this one pouring medium that it works too is Craft Smart PVA white glue, or however, and Elmer's School Glue. This one is with it dries more dull with glue, but you can see that you can get some nice results, and I will seal this one and it will, colors will pop again. So, and now to my mixture. What I'm using is Vallejo pearl medium and Amsterdam titanium white, and of course my pouring medium. And now I will just try to mix this in front of you. I will use just my pouring medium because I don't have any glue pouring medium mixed, so, and I will talk you through. So what I will do, I will add 1 part, so let's say 1 ounce of Vallejo, and then 1 ounce of pearl white, and this is 2 ounces altogether, so I have to add 4 ounces of pouring medium. So this is 2 parts of that. So 1 part pearl medium, 1 part titanium white, and 4 parts of my pouring medium. So let's start. Maybe I can put this here that it will not be just like that. So shake your bottle a little bit. Okay. And 1 part of my titanium white. Okay. Mix this together. And my pouring medium. Not adding all at once. and some more. And this will be probably the right amount. So it's, you know, all about getting the right consistency, because if it's too thin it will sell too much, if it's too thick it will not create lacing at all. So this is almost the right consistency. I will add just a touch of water. I like to correct with water at the end, because it's kind of, and it's not any water in this mixture till now, so it's not like with the glue that you already put water in it. It's just my binder and primer emulsion. So okay, so this is my consistency. And now I will just do a test. Now to the test. What I do is I pour a little of my pearl white mixture on some cardboard that I have from canvases or something. It doesn't matter, because it's just an experiment. And I have this Payne's Gray from yesterday's pour, and I will blow this and see if some effects will start. I can already see some So as you can see, my hands are shaking. This is what it starts happening. Maybe I should do one just with blowing like that on the canvas, because it's kind of a nice. If so, and here you decide if this is enough lacing. If you want more lacing, you just add a little more pearl medium in it. If it's too much for you, you can add a little white. So maybe I can add a little more pearl white and blow once more just to show you. Let's do that. I did a horrible job with blow this. Not much, not much of a difference. See? And now I will try to add a little more water to it, to thin it down a little bit. So that's how you can play and try to see what effects you will get. So I will just go on the same one. Okay, let's see. And it will react for some time, so you have to wait a little bit. So I will just wait for a second more, that it will not be too long, and take you down for a close-up. See you in a bit. And so here I will show you a close-up. Definitely nice lacing, beautiful details. And the second one, I just love the effects with pearl white. And those two with the glue and my pouring medium. So I hope that this will help you, because it's just a quick video. Oh, sorry. So hope it will help you in So hopefully this video will help you if you want to achieve those effects. And have a nice Sunday, and see you on the next one. Bye.